it's a very difficult question, but क्योंकि मुझे नहीं लगता हमारी किसी के समझ में आया ये, because award और recognition में क्या अंतर है, ये तो कोई अंतर नहीं है, दोनों में recognition तो है ही है, और award में recognition है और recognition में award है, समझ में नहीं आया मेरे भाई।
आपको नहीं लगता कि आज के दौर में जो अवार्ड फंक्शन में जो अवार्ड्स मिलते हैं वो कुछ पहले से ही निर्धारित किए जाते हैं?
हाँ, मैं 2 बार मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है, बिना लिफाफे खोले मैंने देखा सामने कौन बैठा है, उसको दे दिया।
हाँ, तो बस यही मैं आपसे पूछ रहा था, अवार्ड मिलने और रिकॉग्निशन मिलने में अंतर।
बस यही हो गया डार्लिंग, इतना भी मजे मत।
थैंक यू सर।
और कुछ किसी को? साजिद,
ज्योति,
दिस तो पैसे मेरे थोड़ी लगने हैं, पैसे तो तूने लगाने हैं।
100% इतनी अच्छी फ्रेंचाइज है, definitely will be doing very fast.
So that's good, Jyoti Saab, and I appreciate your question, because of this question हमारा घर बार और चलता रहेगा, and thank you very much. अगले press conference में फिर भी आना वापस, and keep on asking this question. I'll call you for Rustam also when it's releasing. If it becomes a hit, then you please come and ask the producer for making the part 2 also. क्या मन कर रहा है? अगर वो तीनों लौट आए तो फिर ठीक है, अच्छा है. It all depends on them when they'll come back.
There's no need for heroines. ये 3 heroes and Chunky Bowman are काफी.
No, ऐसा नहीं है. We all need heroines. We all need heroines. ऐसा means it's basically a teamwork. We need directors, we need writers, we need heroines. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So we all need each other, and because if you see the part 3 also, it is because of the heroines we are in love with them later on, and that is why the whole script gets complete. So I wouldn't say that it's not because of the heroine.
अच्छा चंकी इतना बड़ा स्टार है तो यू आर वेरी चूजी, पास्ता जैसा चूजी हो जाते हो क्योंकि ओनली साजिद के फिल्म में तुम नजर आते हो हाउसफुल में.
आई एम नॉट चूजी, मुझे काम मिलता ही नहीं है यार. Mamma mia, I'm joking. No, problem is I charge too much money. Only Sajid bhai can afford me.
And Akshay, एक सवाल, how do you manage to strike a balance between doing serious films like Airlift, Baby, and at the same time making people laugh with Houseful 3?
Nothing. I like the scripts and I just go ahead with it, and I don't think it's anybody can do it. If I can do it, and you remember it, when I came in the industry, I was called a furniture when I used to act. So if I can do it, anybody can do it.
Hi Akshay, over here, straight. First of all, congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
My question, Airlift did 100 crores at the box office. Now Houseful 3 is on the verge of doing 100 crores. So are you expecting a hat trick of 100 crore as well with Rustam?
I have no idea, darling. I hope so, and because we made a good film, Rustam also, and I hope people like it. So, keeping the kind of product we have made, I think so. It should do it. I hope so.
Akshay sir. Like sir, I've been following your movies for the past 2-3 years very closely. You have chosen films like Baby, Airlift, Gabbar is Back, all very strong storyline movies. And now you have chosen Houseful 3, sir, and your next is Rustam. And the first look is also very good. So, sir, how do you choose your scripts and how do you strike a balance between...
So don't you think so? That's the same question he also asked. It's the same question, sir.
My focus is on script choosing.
Yeah, I obviously, I'll answer it again, no problem. But I choose the script, I like the script, and that's why I go ahead with it. I don't believe that I should keep myself in only one space. I can do a lot of things, and whether it's comedy, or whether it's black humor, or whether it's drama, thriller, action. So I just need to keep on reinventing myself, and that's the way an actor can live and increase his shelf life, and that's it.
Abhishek and Ritesh here. Hi. So, Ritesh, यहाँ पे.
You're live on Fame, by the way.
All right. So, did you guys enjoy the kind of promotions that happened for Houseful 3 this time, courtesy all the videos that you guys were making with Akshay Kumar? The ones that we saw going up on Twitter.
Very much.
So why didn't we see anything, following the success of the film? Like, I was really looking forward to any video coming from the three of y'all.
Akshay is very busy in Chennai right now. So we are thinking of flying to Chennai with him. We'll drop him, we'll make some videos, upload them, and then come back again tonight, yeah.
All right. Abhishek, you want to add something to that? You don't want to go to Chennai?
I've just come back from Chennai. I was in Chennai for the last 2 days, and he was very busy. He was shooting just outside Chennai. I was in Chennai for my Kabaddi team. Ritesh is giving birth to a whole Kabaddi team, I think. He's busy with that. So first and foremost, many congratulations to Ritesh on the arrival of the latest Deshmukh. God bless. And many congratulations to Eros, to Nadiad for a success. And we'd like to welcome Baman back, who went on holiday and came back while we were promoting the film. And especially to Sajid Farhad for their hard work, dedication. And they're very good human beings. So, they really reaffirm the fact that good things happen to good people. So well done. And so I've just come back in the afternoon from Chennai. He's just landed from Chennai. He's going back to Chennai. Ritesh is going back home. So we have to now find a time where we can do some more monkey dance and all that and make some more videos just for you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
डायरेक्टर
I have a question. Wait.
दोनों डायरेक्टर से सवाल पूछना था आप दोनों ने ये जो फिल्म लिखी है उसमें डबल मीनिंग नहीं है शायद इसीलिए बच्चों को पसंद आ रही है तो ये आप लोगों ने डेलिबरेटली किया जानबूझकर किया
बेसिकली हम लोग 10 साल से जो राइटिंग भी करते आ रहे हैं तो वो एक टाइप का फैमिली ऑडियंस को नज़र रखते हुए हमने हमेशा स्क्रिप्ट्स लिखी है चाहे वो रोहित शेट्टी की फिल्में हो तो इट्स टारगेटेड टू फैमिली ऑडियंस तो एक तरह का ऐसा कुछ एकदम कोई डिसीजन एकदम सोच के रात को बैठ के हॉल में बैठ के ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है इट्स जस्ट के हम लोग की राइटिंग में वो आ ही जाता है कि फैमिली देखे बच्चा देखे बहन देखे भाई देखे तो उस हिसाब से क्या पंचेस आएंगे
हमेशा चाहते हैं कि बहन भाई आए तो बहन भाई C1, C2 और C3 में बैठे ऐसा नहीं बहन जाके F1 में बैठे और भाई C1 तो जॉइंट होंगे साथ में तालियां पड़ेंगी साथ में पॉजिटिव वाइब्रेशन होंगे तो उसके लिए
और फैमिली जितनी बड़ी है उतना ही फायदा हीरोस और नाडियाड सर को होगा
और प्लस वैसे भी आप लोग जानते हैं सेंसर इतना स्ट्रिक्ट हो गया आजकल